So you can see that probably too. Cooler, yes indeed. This is a different elevator because that's the one that it's renovated. And well, we're started with the next one. But this is one of our classics elevators. That, in my opinion, I really like them.
No, beautiful.
It's
Feel it's new.
everything and it smells new. Ventas, buenos días.
So this suit is soft renovation.
No, actually, this is a big renovation. Last soft renovation we did was in 2016, but we never touched the bathrooms. The bathrooms were still the same since the hotel had been open for 31 years. So this is a big renovation, and well, we're being really transparent and we're being really honest with all of our partners because, of course, with this big renovation, we might experience a lot of noise during the working hours, which is from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. from Monday to Saturday. And we prefer always a canceled reservation than an unhappy guest. And this one, it's one of our executive suites that overlooks to Reforma, which is the main avenue of Mexico. You have to open this one first. And right now you're seeing the terrace, but during Christmas we really like to do our skating rink over this terrace. So the hotel during festive season, it's really beautiful. It's really unique because we like to put the skating rink here, and we have some like Christmas villages. Skating rink, yes. So we have some Christmas villages around where you can shop food, you can shop drinks. We have, of course, it's really famous between all of our guests, a lot of local people, and we have as well adult nights where we have a DJ playing while people is skating. So it's a really vivid moment during festive season. You can see the marquise right in front of us, and that's enriched. And Ritz Carlton over there. They're iconic and beautiful views. And of course, the main difference between the room that we first saw is the living area. We can the sofa that we have the living area, it can be turned into a sofa bed, And well, this is the main bedroom. And if you can notice, if you close the windows, there's no noise from the street that can be perceived. And as I was telling you, we have a lot of Mexican art around the room. And as well, this is as well something that I really like, the chairs, because the chairs that we have over here, this leather is vegan leather. So it's really beautiful as well. It's vegan leather made in Mexico, and it's something that as well, I mean, it gives you small touches and very elegant touches of reminding you that you're in Mexico. And as I was telling you as well, we have all of our suites have the bathtub and as well the showers. And our entry-level rooms will have half of them will have only the walk-in shower, the full experience, which is really amazing. And half of them will have this shower with the bathtub. The amenities in both rooms are the same. The mini bar, with as well with the complimentary teas and coffee and some snacks, and as well with the bar with some drinks, with some local beers. We have as well here the robes. We have the umbrellas as well.